Alright, welcome everyone. Today we've got Torpedo. I'm pretty sure he was a second generation Joe. You can tell he's an old one because his head don't nod. We need a little more light in here, don't we, for the black background. But anyway, I do still have his backpack. And I think, seems like he came with like a harpoon gun or something. It wasn't like it wasn't a traditional rifle, which makes sense because he was underwater. He did have the swivel arm battle grip, and his hips are a little loose, but they're not loose enough where I'm going to worry about changing the O-rings. He's not floppy. Of course, it's just pretty standard scuba gear for him. A little wear and tear on. I don't know how much. The black on black is going to make it hard. We got a knife and a scabbard on that side. Looks like explosives over here. Got, guess that's supposed to be their version of scuba tanks and, mini torpedoes that he can launch at will, I guess. See if there's anything. Oh, the real. Got something on his wrist. That might just be a. I can't even tell what that is looking dead at it. I don't know if that's. I guess, okay, that's just supposed to be zippers for his wetsuit. Okay. Because there's some over here too. Yeah. Well, I think he may have actually came with flippers. I'm not positive about that though. I think he did. Now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, but that was, so standard Joe. Real American hero, all that good stuff. Like I say, he's one of the earlier ones, so he got plenty of playtime, and it shows some of the wear and scuffs on him. Get it to focus on his face some. Get those details in there for you. Maybe. Here it comes. Look at that. No other real details on the back. But anyway, that was Torpedo. So, as always, folks, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. There's plenty more to go where this came from, and I'm just having a really good time with this. So, we'll see you next time.